This machine is a Shibaura TUE 150, formerly known as a Toshiba, and this is a live training video showing the on-off procedure. It's fairly straightforward to switch on and off. The only little catch is that if you don't have an air supply to this machine, it don't give any alarms. It just starts up and everything, but it isn't until it comes to do a tool change that you get the alarms, and even then it doesn't show you that it's short on air. So that's a little one to watch out for. The other thing is that you can't zero return the axes together. You have to do each one individually. Obviously we do the Z first and then the X. And the other thing is that if it's on zero return, if it's sat on zero return, it won't work. So you need to move it away from zero return. Just jog it in before you do that. The best thing is before you switch it off, if you move it away from zero return and leave it there, that's a good position to switch it off at. So there's no other things to look out for. So this is a live training video. If by chance you should find this video useful or you actually like it, then click the like button, share it, or click the bell to get notifications of other videos that I do that are going to be useful to you. And thanks for watching.
Well, what you got to do is, when you turn it off, you need to move the tool away from zero return. So just put it into jog and move the tool away from zero return. Just jog it away. Yeah, move your X a bit and your Z a bit. Yeah, and that's good to turn off then. So you hit your E-stop first. Yeah, and then round the side there, just press at the top there. You got the off button, yeah, and that'll switch it off. And then obviously you can switch it off at the isolator around the other side, but we're not going to bother with that. So now just press the other button then to switch it on, the green button. That'll switch it on. Just wait for it all to come on. And obviously if you've got no air to this machine, it won't tell you. It'll come on and then you'll get an alarm when you try and do a tool change. But unfortunately it doesn't give you an alarm. And your light is this one round here. So that's your work light. See that down there? So you should be able to, down the bottom there, that one. You should be able to switch that on. Oh, it's probably not ready yet. It's probably once the next thing when that comes on, you're then going to press that emergency reset button, and that actually turns on your hydraulics. Just waiting for that screen. Loading guide eye. View of that panel as well. Right, so you got your E-stop, yeah, clear your E-stop, press and hold, yeah, press and hold it, and then it comes on, yeah. So now you can switch into your jog mode, which you're already in, and then you're going to reference your Z axis first, down the bottom there, and reference your Z first. You'll see it start to move. You can't do both axes together, you have to do one and then the other. So that should finish. The light will stay on when it gets there, once it's arrived. But as I say, if you try and do this while it's already at zero return, it won't work. Yep, and now the X. Yep, now you can turn on your machine light round the side there. Yep, so it's all lit up. Excellent.